Hello Sir Carlos, happy 1 year anniversary in YouTube as a monetize in YouTube. Sorry pa istorya oy. Happy anniversary and enjoy your 1 year in YouTube as a monetize. Yehoo, 1 year na. Dito kami mag-greet sa'yo. Nagpapasalamat kami lahat sa'yo na pinalaki mo yung bahay namin. Punong-puno kami sa saging. Ito yung saging ko nalata. Nalata na yung saging ko. Pero guwapa pa rin sa loob ha. Guwapa pa rin sa loob. Makakain pa din. Bala ko sanang bumili ng marami pang saging para ipa-show ko sa inyo lahat ng maraming saging si Sir Carlos. Kaya guys, click niyo yung join dyan. At support chatter there. Okay, para ba yun? Kaya guys, click niyo yung join dyan. At magpalipad na tayong lahat para sa 1 year anniversary ni Sir Carlos. Lipada na Sir Carlos! Lipad na kayo dyan guys. Kung gusto niyan saging, maraming saging dito guys. Kaya pasalamat kami sa lahat sa Sir Carlos na lumaki yung bahay namin pero walang views. Okay lang yan. Laban lang sa views. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you Sir Carlos. Sabay-sabihin ako, taas na ba na? Taas na ba yan? Okay, thank you sa inyong lahat, sa inyong dalawa ni Ma'am Rose. Ma'am Rose, thank you. And wala, i-subscribe natin guys, si Sir Carlos at si Ma'am Rose. Lalaki yung bahay niyo. Lalaki yung mga saging. Dadami pala, lalaki. Dadami yung saging natin lahat. Kaya i-click na yan, join dyan talaga. Huwag niyong kalimutan, i-click yung join ha, join. At maglipadan tayo dito ngayon sa 1 year anniversary ni Sir Carlos. Thank you guys. Salamat Sir Carlos and Ma'am Rose. Bye-bye.
Hello Sir Carlos. Happy anniversary for being monetized in YT and praying that more blessings to come for you. Enjoy your vlogging from Melody Sakura family. God bless.
Hey brother Carlos, happy 1 year anniversary in monetize in YouTube world. Big shout out, big love brother Carlos.
Hi Sir Carlos, congratulations po, 1 year na pala kayong monetize sa YouTube. Ayun, more power at sana tuloy-tuloy lang ang inyong pag-asenso at maraming salamat dahil marami kayong natutulungan na maliliit na YouTuber at isa na ako doon. O sige po, enjoy lang sa inyong big day today. Congratulations Sir Carlos.
With love from
Hello,
Ali
Sir
Katrina DDO
Carlos.
That.
Congratulations for 1 year monetize sa YouTube. More blessings, more fans, and thank you for sharing your blessing to us. Maraming salamat. Go lang po and enjoy YouTubing and helping others. Thank you very much, Ma'am Rose, and thank you for helping us to grow our channel. Maraming salamat. Enjoy your happy day. Love from La Cocina Dijo and Beth. Thank you very much. Wishing you more money. Harvesting. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Hi po Sir Carlos, magandang buhay. Happy 1 year anniversary monetization in YouTube. Ayan, enjoy lang po. More viewers and God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy 1 year monetize, Sir Carlos. Wow, 1 year na agad-agad. Ang bilis ng panahon. My wish and pray na that God continue to bless you, na sana makarating ka, makakuha ka ng silver, gold, and diamond. Okay, di ba? Ang saya-saya nun. And thank you sa mga support mo sa amin, sa advice mo sa amin, how we can monetize too. So, yes, at sana hanggang dulo, hanggang kahit matagal na panahon kahit may diamond ka na, magsuportahan pa rin tayo. Thank you, Sir Carlos. And enjoy your day. Kayo ni Ma'am Rose. And God bless to both of you and your family. Bye!
Happy 1 year! Monetize us now!
Hey Carlos, it's Mr. Prime Channel here. I just wanted to say a massive happy anniversary to you and congratulations on your first year of monetization in YouTube. That's from me and from everyone at Team On Guy, so congratulations, enjoy your day, and here's to your second year.
Hello, Idol Carlos. Happy 1 year anniversary as monetize. Ayan. Salamat, Idol, sa walang sawang suporta. Thank you. Ako pala si Boy Manoy Mix Vlog. Ayan. God bless all.
Hello, Sir Carlos. Si Superboy Apoy Mix Vlog to. Nag-greet ako ng happy 1 year as a monetized channel mo. More blessing pa. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagtulong sa amin ng maraming banana, Sir Carlos Idol. Tulungan mo kami, mga small YouTuber. Tulungan mo ito si Superboy Apoy na makaangat katulad mo. Good job, Sir. Carlos Candilas ang malakas. Mabuhay kayo, Sir Carlos.
Hello, Sir Carlos. Good morning or good evening. Happy 1 year anniversary monetize. More blessings to come para more ayuda sa mga onggoy na gutom sa saging. Thank you sa araw-araw mong pagsuporta sa amin. Salamat, Sir Carlos.
Good morning, everyone! Magandang buhay po para sa ating lahat. This is Eva Mix Vlog ng Pantabulos Family, headed by Ate Ling Gray Official. Para sa iyo, Kuya Carlos, happy 1 year monetized to your channel. Congratulations and God bless you.
Yan, by the way, congrats po Sir Carlos Candilas. Happy monetized channel. Happy anniversary po. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa tulong, sa suporta, sa pagmamahal sa aking YouTube channel. More power po, more subscribers to come. Mabuhay ka po, Sir Carlos. Team Carlos sa Kalamlang po. Ayan. Maraming salamat din po, Mayora Rose, sa mga suportang ginagawa niyo po sa akin. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Happy first anniversary as a monetized channel, Sir Carlos. Maraming salamat po. Ito po si Tony Marshall Mix Vlog nagsasabi, lagi po kayong mag-iingat. Ipinapanalangin ko po na lagi kayong naging malakas sa anumang oras, mga pagsubok na dumarating sa buhay natin. Huwag po tayong susuko. Andito lang po kami from Ate Ling Gray, Pantabulos Family. Maraming salamat, Sir Carlos. Muli, happy first anniversary po sa monetized channel. Thank you.
Ayun. Happy 1 year anniversary, Ninong Carlos. Salamat po sa walang sawang pag-support sa bawat isa po sa amin dito sa YT World. And thank you rin po kay Ninang Rose always for being there to support us. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ayan, on behalf of Dico family, kami po ay masaya na nakilala namin kayo. Huwag po kayong magsasawang tumulong. Ninong, keep on walwal ha. God bless you and your family, of course. Ayan.
Happy anniversary, Sir Carlos. God bless and more blessing to come.
Hello po sa lahat. Babatiin ko lang po si Ninong Carlos Candilas ng happy anniversary and more power to your channel and more revenue. And this is Kat Chill Vlog ng Team Dico.
Ayun. Hello, Sir Carlos. Ayan, siguro naman hindi mo pa ako nakilala kasi ako hindi ko rin ikaw nakilala. Pero, ayan, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo, Sir Carlos, na happy anniversary sa iyong channel at sana ay marami pang blessing na darating at more friends. Ayan, this is Ren Shastagaleped from Team Dikov. Ayan, thank you.
Alright, mega love shoutout sa lahat. Gusto ko lang batiin si Lods Carlos Candilas ang happy anniversary sa iyong channel. More power and maraming salamat sa support sa Team Dikov. Thank you.
Massive, gigantic, and humongous shout out to my good friend all the way from Great Britain, Carlos Candilas. Bro, thanks a lot for the full support. It has been tremendous and irreplaceable. Of course, congratulations and happy first year anniversary as a monetized channel. I look forward to getting on and joining the panel on that day to celebrate your success. Once anew, from the deepest chambers of my heart, thank you for supporting me, and so is Glade Chua. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Mabuhay! Congrats bro Carlos for 1 year anniversary as monetized channel. Wow, napapasana all na lang ako sa road to monetization stage pa lang. Maraming salamat bro sa support mo sa YouTube channel ko, and again congrats and more years to come.